Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
Let's start with a 6 to 10 day outlook, and we're expecting below normal precipitation across much of the western half of the country as we go into this weekend, into most of next week. And look at this, warmer than normal across much of the western half of the country next week into the first couple of days of May. There could be some 70-degree temperature days setting up across southwest Montana. But before all that begins, this storm system is moving through right now. It's already increasing clouds and some showers across areas out there west of the Continental Divide, but this eventually will be trickling through the entire region coming up tonight and into tomorrow. Snow levels start off fairly high at around 7,000 feet, but they could come down to about 6,000, maybe even 5,500 feet by early tomorrow morning. But valley rain and mountain snow, that's the base forecast as we go through this evening and into tomorrow. It could be warm enough in the afternoon tomorrow. A few thunderstorms could pop up in the late afternoon to early evening hours, but the whole thing begins to sink southward out of the region, and Friday looks to be a drier weather day, and then we're kicking off a warming and drying trend as we get into the weekend. How much rain could we see? Well, hopefully we'll pick up a 1/4 of an inch plus in many areas. I think some of these higher numbers are a little too high, but a 1/4 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch I think is a solid outlook for potential precipitation for some, not all. And again, snow is likely above 7,000 feet. That's the best chance for it to stick and stay on the ground. Higher elevation, higher mountain peaks, for example, could be picking up quite a bit of fresh new snow. 58 degrees, quite a bit of cloud cover over Butte right now. That's been our high today. That's about par for this time of the year. 62 degrees in Bozeman. 64 was the high. That's a few degrees above average for this time of the year. Tiny bit cooler, not by a lot, 50s and 60s with increasing clouds and showers to the west, but eastern counties did work their way up into the 70s again this afternoon. 20s, 30s, and 40s. These are somewhat mild, mostly cloudy skies, some showers, an isolated rumble, some gusty winds, but some valley rain and mountain snow. That continues off and on throughout the day tomorrow. Don't expect to be raining all day, but there will definitely be some off and on showers and again isolated rumbles of thunder. 20s, 30s, and some 40s here in the overnight. Scattered showers, some higher mountain snow, some gusty winds as that cold front builds into the region. And tomorrow, big mix of numbers, 30s, 40s, 50s for daytime highs, a little bit cooler, off and on showers, a few thunderstorms in there, and again, snow is possible at higher elevations. So as you look at the extended forecast, once you get beyond tomorrow, look at the warming and drying trend setting up this weekend. And here you go, a 70-degree temperature day week out next Wednesday. For Butte, a good chance for some off and on showers. Rain mostly could mix with snow in the early morning hours Thursday and Friday, but warming and drying, pushing very close to 70 degrees by Wednesday of next week. Dillon will go with a chance for some rain showers, higher mountain snow tomorrow, but by the weekend we're ramping up back up into the 60s. Upper 60s and a mid 70 is possible a week from now. And as you look at West Yellowstone here too, a solid chance for some April showers Thursday, but warming and drying into the weekend, nudging very close to 60 degrees a week from today. We'll be right back.